Kooglupooglu. Hi friends, today is May. There are two celebrations we do in May. One, May the 4th be with you, like May the 4th be with you, Star Wars, and Mother's Day. But why do we have all the supplies, craft supplies here? Because we're doing a Mother's Day craft. So what are we going to need for this? So for this, we're going to need some colored pens or pencils, if you have them, some glue, a pencil, of course you need some markers, scissors, and some stencils. I'm using a cookie cutter because I don't have a heart stencil. To draw a circle, you can use this cardboard thing or circle, or you could just draw it freehand. And you need some craft sheets. But if you don't have that many colors, it's okay. Just use 2 or 1. And also the stencil. If you don't have one, just write freehand. First step, we take this yellow base sheet and we fold it in half. I'm gonna do it like, just try to make it equal, but it's okay if you do it a little bad. So I made it in half. Now I'm gonna make a circle. It's supposed to be on the folding edge right there. So let's start. Done. We are not gonna cut this part, the empty. So let's start cutting. We finally made this cool circle. Yay! So next step is take this sheet, fold it in half. Oh, we're done. Now, we're gonna keep it folded and take our heart shape and draw it. Remember the edge line. So, let's start. We're using a pencil. I accidentally took the marker. Here, as you can see, I have drew the heart. And remember, we should not cut those 2 areas, okay? So let's cut. So when we didn't cut that part, so this is how when we open, it will look. I'm going to do that with the rest of the other 5 colors. I cut all my rainbow hearts. Now, we're going to glue them. Before I glued, I thought I should write Mom. So I got this stencil. And remember, you don't need the stencil if you don't have it. So, let's start. So we got our M. Now O. That's our O. That's done. And M again. So this is what I wrote. Mom. You guys notice another cool thing? It looks like wow. And it says Mom. Wow, Mom. Now, we're gonna start gluing. Dun, dun, dun. So, all these 6 hearts, I'm gonna make them into a beautiful flower shape. Doesn't it look cool? So I arranged my flowers. I mean, not my flowers. I made my heart in a flower shape. When you close it, doesn't it look cool? And I also put the word Mom. Pretty cool. Doesn't it look tiny bit incomplete without another heart? Yes, I'm gonna add another one So let's do it. So this is how this cool thing looks from the inside. So now let's glue this. That's good. I just put this underneath like that so it can look like a full flower. So I want to write why I'm thankful for my mom, but the markers bleed through. So I add another little square circle that's a tiny bit smaller, so it can cover that up. So let's glue that on first. Right there. So I covered it, but now I'm gonna write I'm thankful for. So I wrote it down, but it's not coming up very well. So make it with a black marker. So let's start. So I wrote I'm thankful for whatever. So I'm gonna write. I'm gonna think what I like about my mom or thankful for. There are hundreds of things popping up in my mind. So on first one I'm writing your love. Then your care. Then I'm writing your care. So now hugs and kisses. So your support, is good patience, your. Should I write down last? Well, my smile and hope. To be a better person in life. Far we're done inside, but on the top, doesn't it look kind of empty? Sure. So why don't we write MOTHER? Can you guess what that spells? Of course, it spells mother. We're basically done. We wrote MOTHER. But there's one more thing left. It looks a bit empty right here. What should we write? We should write Happy Mother's Day, May 8th, 2022. So let's write that down right now. Happy Mother's Day. Done, actually. So I'm just gonna open it right now. I am thankful for M, your love, O, your care, T, hugs and kisses, H, your support, E, your patience, R, my smile and hope. And guys, please make this card for your moms. And if you do want to share your card with me, please show me on my Facebook or Instagram page. Love you all, guys. Love you, Mom. And happy Mother's Day.
Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye.